Hi, baby.
Hi.
Where are we going?
Into the moon.
To the? Going to watch? Or yun?
And eating popcorn.
Eating popcorn?
Yes.
Is it yummy?
Yes.
Wow. Is it scary?
No, I just eat them.
How do they look? How do they look?
I just see it. I see it. Nakita ko na matagal yun.
Okay, you already saw?
Yes.
Saw them?
Yes.
And what do they look like? Like? Real people.
Real people.
Are you gonna be scared?
No.
No, you're not. Are we late na? Not yet.
I don't know.
Almost there. Huh? And what else are we gonna see in the in the procession?
May bahay na maganda yung bagong bahay na.
What else can we see in the procession?
Bahay ang mini.
Papa Jesus.
Papa Jesus.
Okay. And then a lot of more yun. And a lot of saints.
At the things.
Saint. Good people.
Mabait.
Yes. Yung nakatira sa
Ano?
where do they live? Saan nakatira ang mga mababait na tao?
Yung sa ano?
Saan? Saan? Sa
Heaven.
sa heaven.
Magpalabay ba yan?
Eh pag bad, saan nakatira?
Sa hell.
Hell. And then what do you see in hell?
That's bad people.
And
And the
devil.
devil.
How about in heaven?
Lots of angels.
Angel.
And 6 toys.
Okay. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.